Over 30 years in the making, come visit the grand reopening of Fireball Island.
Howdy friends, Ryan McCaffrey with IGN. Big day for me and all children of the 80s as well as modern day board game aficionados because Fireball Island is back. The mid-1980s board game from Milton Bradley was gone, seemingly never to return, but Restoration Games acquired the license and has created Fireball Island: The Curse of Vul-Kar, and here it is. This is my own Kickstarter pre-order. I backed this thing months ago, and the Kickstarter obviously went through the roof, and it's here, it's done, and I'm so excited. This is me actually being excited to open my own copy of this, so let's do it. Let's see how this has changed and how this has been modernized since the original game, which currently only exists mostly in my memory for me. There are copies still around, but they are not cheap if you can find an original one. So here's the board. This is going to be in two pieces. We'll build all this for you now. All right, that took quite a while to set up for the first time. I'm sure subsequent setups will go much more quickly, but this is impressive. Fully assembled Fireball Island: The Curse of Vul-Kar, back from the 80s in a modern version. As you can see, it's impressive. This is a really cool board, fully assembled. You got palm trees that even work into the game, they can be used to block the fireballs, which I'll show in a second. You've got all these tokens around that affect gameplay. Everybody arrives via the helicopter. You're trying to get to Vul-Kar to get the heart of Vul-Kar and escape without getting nailed by a fireball, which will be launched by other players. Boom, all the way down it goes. If you're in the path of that, you're gonna have a bad time, let's say. So now I got a couple of stretch goal rewards for kickstarting this. So my figurines, I got nicer figurines that you won't get in the base game. And then the fireballs themselves, I got a deluxe fireball set. But otherwise, this is what you will get if you pick this up. You can find it on Amazon for $75 and wherever awesome board games are sold. So check it out. All the cards, everything. I think I even got a nicer set of cards as one of the Kickstarter rewards too. But this is it, Fireball Island: The Curse of Vul-Kar, available now. I'm gonna go play it. Let's see what's going on with this game. See if it's still fun as it was in the 1980s in my childhood. So for more on all things in the gaming world, whether it's analog games or the digital versions, keep it tuned right here to IGN.